only in the technical side. He also knows how his actor and how his characters want to evolve.
Don't you think it's like, dito, pinagpapakasito,
Yes.
siya
Oo, may ganun siya. Yun ang ibig sabihin na kailangan ma-review. Tapos minsan tayo, pinaplano na natin ang gagawin natin eh. Ang sa'yo naman ang script the night before, di ba? So you can, I will attack it this way, di ba? But minsan may vision. And usually, talaga, may vision ang director.
You know, guys, I was told by many actors that the great lead of role would literally show you how to do a scene. Kung dito, kung baka dito, he would literally do the scene. All the three directors, Lorraine, Riley, hindi makikita talaga sila. Ano ba?
Si, ano yan? Very, like I said, very technical. No? Si Chito, yung feel niya, ganito ang feel ng eksena, okay? At yung camera nandito, gusto kong makita kahit nakaganito lang ang mata mo kung paano mo na-feel yung whatever. Ganon. So, yan mo dito ha, kailangan dito yung pag-project. Ganon. So, okay. The reason naman, the beauty about working with Louise is that she is also a facilitator and actress. Teacher siya. So, many times I have done the workshop na siya ang nag-get, siya yung nag-facilitate and moderate. So, I love it. Pag si Louise ang director, kasi actress, ang galing-galing. So, ang galing. Pag sa extended director, gawin ko yung ganyan. Ano ba siya?
Don't the hardest.
The hardest role. I can't say role, but maybe the hardest performance to do is when I am so happy that I can't cry. It's hard. See, I have a, to me, I've learned how to cry. I know not much how to do. There was a time after I left, I got married, I did the same 7 years, I came back. Then I did the movie Filipina.
Right.
And then all the work that is going on. It's also an actor director. And yung sa palamang eksena, yung breakdown scene ko, I didn't even oil yet my wheels were already and he knew it. And I guess that's what his way. Sometimes when people don't do that, minsan kasi that is how an actor can bring down his defenses. When you just, now you just have to do it. No choice.
How'd you do it?
Gaya nga ng sinabi ko, hindi ko naman pinapakita pag nilanervous ako. Pero I'm sure na alam niya na nilanervous ako. Kasi ano ko si Carmila.
Oh my God.
And he's lucky. Tubo. Okay? So, ang haba ng eksena, mga 2-3 pages ata yun. May galaw, may point at dito ka breakdown. Tapos, dito ka, tapos dito mo siya hawakan. And all of that, dapat sing, sequence. Luha, embrace, sabi yung words na ito. So, so natural. Another scene I remember, at the very beginning, hindi pa ako workshop. And ang director ko sa Sancho. So, walang ginawa ko, sigaw-sigawan ako talaga, so lalo pa akong nervous, di ba? May eksena na iiyak ako. Ano ba yan? 16 years old. So, paano ito dyan? Paano ako maiiyak? Camera? No idea. Hindi pa ako nag-workshop nito. And I remember, ilang take, hindi talaga ako. Sinasabi ko na yung line ko, wala talaga gumigirit talaga na luha. And I think it was like 3 a.m. You know, Lisa was like the lead of the work. So she pulled me aside. Eksena ko naman siya. Hindi ko siya ka-eksena. She was just watching. We saw these people dancing. Rivera, who was my father. I was supposed to cry. And Lisa pulled me aside and she said, you're having a hard time. And I said, yeah, I'm so rattled. I think people fresh. You know, I can't see cry, you know.
Okay na?
Take that one out. Erase everything. You already know your line.
Okay na?
Having a think of the saddest thing right now that you're going through. Nothing. coming into the industry today. Yeah.
No, we are one of the maraming mga artista na pinipiligan ngayon na magkakaroon ng access sa mga artista nila. Medyo sumama na yung technology na mawakit na naging mahal ang pag-produce ng film. So, let's say, from 250 to 300 films we started to do. Last year, I think we did less than 50. Yung gano'n, I go to the side of filmmaking ay hindi na maayos. Pero ang magandang balita, I've been watching a lot of independent films. So, mas magagaling na, at ako, may executive producer, yes, involved in a lot of independent films. Magdadalaga ako ng brilliant film. So, maraming mahuhusay na pero hindi sumisikat ang todo. Hindi nagiging mainstream ang pagkita. Pero ang sa ko, sarang pa rin yung panahon na pagmagtagpo na yung mahuhusay ng mga artista na independent film. Marami na mga sikat na yung one or two independent film a year. Which I think is a good sign. Don't want to I have other friends who want to go into independent filmmaking kasi yun ang medyo kaya ng konti. Hindi ka masusunatan ka. Kulang na tayo sa nagalang gawin pelikula. Pero wala na hindi tayo kukulang ng mainstream naman. Siyempre, hindi naman ang pelikula. Gagawa ko ng 20 million budget ng pelikula. Hindi ka kukulang sa mga kilala yung mga artista. Pero tama ko doon. Araw ay bad.
Sige, lagyan mo lang dyan.
Yung tapos ka na? Apo. Ito malito ah. Fold ko na no?
Wag mo ipo-fold. Wag mo ipo-fold. Naku, lagyan mo dyan.
Bakit? Mali lang ito.
Basta wag mo ipo-fold.
Kahit preso ka ng light ko lang. Nasyado yung ano. O, ayusin na natin.
Wag. May gagawin pa ako eh. Bubutasan ko pa yan eh.
That vision, na hindi tayo nasusunod. Kasi, boy, ngayon, with the advancement
May second batch pa yan.
Ano second batch?
Yung ano, Masters of Ceremony.
our films really that are for worldwide.
Pero hindi ngayon. Kasi wala pa tayong judge. Hindi pa kompleto judge natin.
Tayo with what is on the market. No? And if we want
Alas 10 na yung pa niya. Ang oras daw.
economic drama,
Teka lang po.